You clicked on this video because you're interested in this topic. Let's head straight to the practical way of exactly how this works. But before then, subscribe to the channel if you have not. Turn on your notification bell to be the very first person to get every video that we upload. My name is Blessing Olisola. Without wasting time, let's go straight to the practical way of exactly how this works. In this video, I want to share with you how to add tags to your video. So we have the secret tags and we also have the hashtag. The hashtags are the ones everyone can see, while the secret tags are the ones you add behind the scene. No one sees them, but they all affect how your video does on YouTube. Without further delay, let's go. So I'm going to take you to my YouTube studio, first of all, to show you the secret tags. So this is my YouTube studio. When you come to your content, let's use content. Let's use this video. For instance, let's use this video. When you come down, first of all, let me show you the ones that everyone can see. So if you watch this my video, you can see these tags. You see this SEO, YouTube growth, get 1,000 subscribers. You can see these ones. Okay, so these are hashtags. You can see the hashtag sign here, while the secret ones, these are the secret ones you cannot see in my channel. Can you see this? These are the secret hashtags you cannot see. Now, let me make it easy for you. For you to start typing this may be difficult. You can do this in two ways. So if you see that, okay, particular video of yours is doing very well. For instance, let's go to my channel. There is a video doing well compared to other videos in this channel. So let me take you there. And this video is doing very well. It has 3,000 plus views. Okay. This is the video that is doing very well right now in my channel. So let's even go to the tags. So one thing you can do is click on that. Come down here to where the tags are. Then just make it easy. Since this video is doing well, it's possible that there are tags that are here that are attracting viewers. So you just click on this, copy all. Okay, when you copy all, if you click on it, then you go to another of your video, go to this same section of tags and paste it. You have done it. Then another way you can do it is you come to ChatGPT, ChatGPT, all right? So here's what I do. To get hashtags using ChatGPT, I go to my video, I click on subtitle. You see the subtitle here. I select all, I copy, I come to ChatGPT, I paste it. After pasting it, I just tap the full stop and I now write, give me tags using, I say give me 10 tags, 10 tags using this. Okay, then I click on this arrow facing up. Now that it has given me with numbers, this is going to be difficult. I tell it, don't number them. Don't number them. Okay. Separate them using comma. Then I click on this again. I will explain why I'm doing this. So can you see how it came now? So I'm going to just copy it here. All right. Then come to my YouTube studio. Remove this. Then go down to where the tags are. Let me use another video. I don't want to remove these tags that are already here because this video is doing very well. So I'm going to use another video. Let me look for another video that I will use. Maybe a video that I've posted before. Let me use this one. I'll use this one. So I'm going to come down. So can you see? I didn't put tags here before. So let's just use this one. So you will not paste them here. Can you see now? Very easy. But if it was with the numbers, it will be difficult for you to paste. So with this, we are done. Then you click on save. Okay? So after clicking on save, you are good. This is how to use ChatGPT to help you add tags to your video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe. So we've talked about these secret tags and the tags that you can see. Okay? Subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.